Hey, this is Lenny with Donofrio and Associates Property Inspections, and wanted to talk a little bit about air quality mold screening tests today. So if you're someone who's considering buying a home, maybe you've seen it has some moisture damage or previous signs of moisture damage, indications of flooding in the basement, or if you're someone who's really sensitive with allergens, you may want to consider getting an air quality test and mold screening. So what is that? Well, this is the machine that we use. And what this does, this is for the air quality portion, it takes samples of the air in the home, it runs for approximately 10 minutes per sample. So we take one sample usually in a lower level, one sample on a main level, and one outdoor sample. What this does is it's comparing the mold spores, pollen count outside as a control to what's located inside the house. These results are compared at a lab, and that gives you an idea of what's in the house, what spore counts do you have, if there is any sort of evidence of mold in the house, what type of mold is it, and then you can further either mitigate or decide what needs to take place in relation to that. So the other thing that we do with a mold screening is we're doing a visual inspection of the whole house, looking at areas of concern. We're looking in basements, we're looking underneath of kitchen sinks or plumbing, around plumbing fixtures, and looking for sort of any evidence of this. Musty smells, that type of thing. Certainly a good idea to do it if you're having any of that type of issue with musty smells in like a basement, something of that nature. Usually the test, all in all, may take 30 minutes for the air quality portion and maybe another 30 minutes to go through the house very thoroughly and do a visual inspection. The other thing that we can do is if we see visual evidence of mold, we can actually take a swab of that area as well. These are the swabs that we use. And again, this would go to a lab and results would be calculated to get a report there.